is Muhammad Afiq Ilmi. I'm from K2T27. We have 5 group members, which is me, Afiq, Adin, Faris, Din and Jimin. The group assignment title is water and waste management and transport system, while the K1 team is suitable structure and water source.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. I'm Faris. Now I will explain about the subfield in civil engineering. Firstly, as you know, civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline, and it is the oldest discipline after military engineering. It deals with design, construction and maintenance of the physically and naturally building, including works like bridge, canal, dams and building. Civil engineering is regarded as one of the most important engineering field across the globe. The industry is about solving real world problems through designing, constructing, managing and maintaining the infrastructure that plays a vital role in the development of countries and support modern society. As we all know, there are 4 branches or subfields in civil engineering. Firstly, one of the branches is environmental engineering. Environmental engineering treats chemical, biological and thermal waste. It concentrates on, for example, water purification, wastewater and solid waste management, air pollution, hazardous waste management, and it is also charged of giving information on possible environmental consequences. Next is geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is based on the knowledge from geology, material science, mechanics and hydraulics. It focuses on economical foundations, retaining wall as well as similar structure designs. Next is structural engineering. Structural engineering provides structural design and structural analysis of buildings such as bridges, towers and tunnels. Next, it identifies the kind of loads acting on structures and it makes into account strength, stiffness and stability of the structures. Next is transportation engineering. The main emphasis is placed on moving people and goods efficiently. Also, it pays attention to designing, constructing and maintaining of transportation infrastructure like streets, highway, rail system, airports, ports and mass transit. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello and hello, I am Najmi. Here we explain one of the K1 assignment, which is to calculate the weight of the building, any building around School of Civil Engineering. So they decided to, their team member decided to calculate the building behind me, which is D02. It is quite big, but they put their all effort and they managed to get the weight of the building. Without wasting time, first get into the assignment. First, they required to calculate the volume of slab, beam, column, wall and roof. After they obtain the value of volume of from each part, they need to calculate it with their density. Then they will get the self weight of for every part. After they get the self weight of for every part of the building, they obtain the value or the weight of for every part of the building by using the method or formula which is called self weight, which is density of the material used for every part of the building, calculate for the part of the which is slab, beam, wall and other items. So after they calculate, they obtain one value which is the total of the total weight of the building. After they add every part of the building, the surface of the building. So they get 5,936,000.29 Newton. Okay, let's go to the next assignment.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Afiq Ilmi bin Arsam. I am from K2 class. I will explain about assignment 2, which is about Kelantan river that have suffered massive land losses due to the erosion since the past 25 years. First problem is coastal erosion at the river mouth of Sungai Penggalan Datu to the river mouth of Sungai Kelantan, or known as Kuala Besar Sungai. It has caused a formation of sandbar due to the flow of the road, to the flow of the river and annual flood that carries sediment. Unfortunately, the sandbar has blocked the passage of the fishermen boat. The second problem is the erosion. The strong wave monsoon will cause the moving of sand along the beach, and the result is the erosion. So the land loss. Therefore, first and foremost, we will do a dragging process necessary along the river mouth. You can see that by making the drag channel, the boat of the fishermen can pass through the river mouth easily. For the second problem solution, we will do a reclamation of the land and build the revetment to avoid the erosion around the beach. For the calculation, for each of the drag channel and also for the revetment, first we check the depth of each edge of the cut area measured from the water level. Then we calculate the average height of each shape. To calculate the average height of each shape, we need to minus the assumed depth of each with the depth from the design specification and divide it with the total number of edge of the shapes. After that, for the volume, just multiply it, the width, length and the height. Then the result we can get the result. It is the same step to calculate for the land reclamation. Finally, by doing the drag channel and revetment, we can avoid Kelantan's river from becoming worse, and the fishermen can fish safely without any obstacle. So what can I conclude from the assignment is Kelantan river and also fishermen has suffered for long. By doing this assignment, I hope the river will get a better condition. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nurdin. I'm from K2, and today I'm going to talk about one of the assignment for K2. That is about wastewater treatment. For this assignment, we required to complete on how our water and waste being managed at our hometown. For example, I am from Baling and I need to find the information about my hometown. Okay, first of all, for this assignment, they are divided into 3 parts. The first part is source of water, wastewater domestic and solid waste. Okay, for the first part, we required to find the name of river that is the main of our water, and we also need to find the name of the company that managing our waste of water at our hometown. And lastly, we need to find about the quality of water that have been supplied to our home. Okay, for the second part, we need to search about the system used for wastewater domestic at our village and the company that managing it. For the last part, we need to find about the company that manage the solid waste and what day that the company will collect our solid waste and recycle waste. In the nutshell, this assignment will increase our knowledge about our water use and waste litter. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Adilman bin Zadha and I'm from K2 class. Today I will explain about assignment which is transportation. In this assignment, we will discuss on how to reduce road accidents and congestion and traffic congestion around School of Civil Engineering in UTM Skudal. There are many problems that we can say about this issue. First of all, is traffic jam at the junction near me. As we all know, traffic jams always occur at the junction every morning. So the authorities have already take action to solve this problem. They hire a policeman to control the traffic jam. In order to raise the effectiveness, we can install adaptive traffic light so it can work all day long. Adaptive traffic light is an innovation that help people to ease the congestion by detect on how many cars in the lane and specify the amount of time to turn green light for that lane. Other than that, to further improve this innovation, we can make the current carriageway into double carriageway. One at lingkaran ilmu. This way can guarantee the smoothness of traffic at lingkaran ilmu and Jalan Rasa. Objective is to separate the user who want to move forwards and turns to left or right. Finally, we can make higher ramp at both way of lingkaran ilmu and Jalan Rasa. The cars and other vehicle will slow down their speed in order to guarantee the safety of students that walking to go to class. So what I can conclude from this assignment is it may cost us a lot of money, but it can be developed gradually one by one. Usually it will help the community surrounding. That's all for me. As a summary, all four assignments given is all about the foundation of civil engineering field. This is related to structural engineering, transportation and geotechnical engineering, hydraulic and hydrology engineering and environmental engineering. Based on the discussion session, we can conclude that all civil engineering field in this assignment related to each other. From our view, structural engineering is all about understanding and calculating the stability, strength, rigidity and of build structure for building and non-building structures. The transportation and geotechnical engineering is engineering behavior in policy development, planning, design, implementation, operation and management of all models of travel and its relations with Earth's material. Other than that, scientific study of the properties, distribution and calculation of water on the surface of the land, in the soil and underlying rock and in the atmosphere is in hydraulic and hydrology field. Lastly, we understand the environmental engineering is the application of scientific and engineering principle to improve and maintain the environment, to protect human health, protect nature's beneficial ecosystem, and improve environmental related and enhancements of quality of human life.
In conclusion, civil engineering has a significant role in the life of every human being. Thus, one may not truly sense its importance in our daily routine. The function of civil engineering comprises a water supply system including well-designed network of pipes and water treatment plant. The network of roads with the huge structural bridges be across and tall buildings. On the tall building, all have been designed and constructed by civil engineers. In fact, no sphere of life may be identified that does not include the contribution of civil engineering. Thus, the importance of civil engineering may be determined according to its usefulness in our daily life.